Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. This is the exact same day that I did our what does my kids eat, so don't mind the same exact closing headband. So today we are going to make dirt cups, and these are a few of the ingredients that you will need. You'll need some chocolate pudding, some gummy worms, and some Oreos, and also 2 cups of milk. And that's just for one box. And y'all, I think them kids is doing something. All right, y'all, let's get started. You're going to need a bowl and a spatula or anything that you can use to mix. First, you're going to open up your pudding and you're going to pour it inside of your bowl. And next, you're going to, let me read the box, hold up. Okay. You're going to pour your 2 cups of milk inside your bowl on top of your Jell-O pudding mixture. Then you're going to get your spoon, your spatula, or whatever to mix. Look at him. Up to no good. Okay, and now you're just going to stir, and you're just going to keep on stirring it until it's nice and pudding-like.
Thousand years later. Much later.
Alright, y'all, so I decided that this little spatula thing is not cutting it, so I traded it in for a whisk. And yes, I am still mixing, but it's starting to look a little bit more pudding-like. I'm making a mess, and my arm is on fire, y'all, burning calories. Okay, so I think I am finally done mixing. So the whole time I never recorded what I did. So this is me showing you how I crushed up the Oreos. I put it inside the wax paper and I just crushed it with a spatula. I know it's a much easier way to do this, but your girl didn't have a Ziploc bag or anything else to crunch these Oreos with. Nice and crunchy. So now you're going to get the gummy worms and some cups and the pudding and the crushed up Oreos. You're going to spread all the cups out. You're going to take the pudding and put it inside of the cups. A hot mess. I was trying to neatly put it in the cup, but there's no such thing. Next, you're going to take some Oreos and you're going to sprinkle them on the top of your pudding, like so. Still looking a hot mess. So far, it's looking real messy. So maybe if we add the gummy worms, it will look like this. Okay, this is the finished product. From this angle, it doesn't look that bad. Y'all just eating around. Use your spoon, Didi? Nope. Shay, nope. Use your spoon. No. Yeah, use it. Use it, girl. Stick it in the cup. Let me see. Pick it up. Okay. You eating it? Baby. You're not eating, you are eating it, huh? You want some of this? You eating it with? Ew, don't show me your insides. Eat it. Let me see. Eat it.
How?